Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 22nd, and we're going to start a single seed challenge for this year. So let me get into it. Now, we plant a lot of seeds around here. In fact, we plant seeds all year long. But let's talk about the single seed challenge. The single seed challenge was started by Scott Head on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening, I think is his channel name. He started this back, I'm going to say maybe 5 years, but it's been several years. And I've taken part of it taken a part in that challenge as far as I did it in 21, I did it in 22. I didn't do it in last year. I was kind of busy with my gardening and didn't take the time to do it. But this year, I'm going to start again. And what the single seed challenge is, it's not a challenge that you compete with other people. It's a challenge for maybe you to grow something new, but you take one seed and you take and plant it and you watch it throughout its life from the time you plant the seed. And then if you can document it and post it on YouTube and use the hashtag that's in the comments, which will be Single Seed Challenge 2024. And then that way, other people that's taking part in this, they can follow you or you can follow them and see how theirs is going. But what it does is challenge you to pay particular attention to one plant. Now, he usually states that it's if you plant something else that you don't have in your garden, a different plant. But now I plan to plant more of these items. What my single seed challenge is going to be this year is it's a Cinderella pumpkin, or other variety names might be fairy tale pumpkin or whatever. But this particular pumpkin, now I planted some last year and they didn't do well. I didn't really take and prepare the area well enough. I think I could have done more. I'm going to do a little different this year because I want to grow pumpkins and take and preserve some of these, for as far as for pumpkin pies and stuff like that. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I picked me one seed here. This is my seed. And it's a simple process. Now, pumpkin seeds do like to be a little bit deep. I put that about 1 inch down, and I'm just going to cover this up, and I'll water it in and label it. But this will be the start of my single seed challenge for this year. In 2022, my single seed challenge was a grapefruit tree. And I show it periodically whenever I do my garden updates, especially when I'm doing citrus updates. And you can see how well it's done. And I've paid particular attention. Now, I have put this in a rather large pot compared to starting most seeds. And February 22nd is really early, but being this is my single seed challenge, I'm going to start it now. I'm going to pay particular attention if I get cold weather. If I have situations I need to protect it, I'll give it an extra protection. And I'm going to plant this in my main garden. I've decided on a spot. Once it gets big enough and is ready to go out, and I'm hoping that our weather will warm enough that I won't have to protect it. But if I do, I'll be prepared. But I'll baby it just like I have my other single seed challenge that actually they thrive and they're much more healthy than my other ones, because it seems that when you're focusing on one particular plant, you give it supplemental care, the love and attention that it needs to really be tends to grow fast and healthy. So anyway, this is where it is. If you have any questions about the single seed challenge, just put them down in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. If you're planning to plant something, well, of course, comment and let me know what you're growing. It is really I think a spectacular thing to do. I've really enjoyed it whenever I take part in this, and I do have enough time that I can give the little added attention to this project. But anyway, if you want to follow along or you want to see other content like this, of course, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience every day.